Okay, this is the last question in the financial math workshop. It's from November 2019. And let's just give it a try. It says 9 years ago, a bank granted Mandy, this person, a home loan of 525,000. The loan has to be repaid over 20 years, 10% compounded monthly. And the payments happen 1 month after the loan was granted, which means all the equations just work perfect the way they are. But she decided to make payments that were more than 5,066.36, which would have paid off this loan. How many payments will she make to settle the loan? So they're looking for payments, they're looking for periods, they're looking for n. So whenever they say the word loan, this is the formula you want to write down, the present value formula. Well, the loan is 525,000, so that goes in for P. The new payment they want is 6,000, right there, 6,000. The interest rate is 10%, so it's 0.1 over 12, 0.1 over 12. And what we're looking for, we're trying to get at this minus n. We need to try and get at this n. Okay, now this is what you do. In your calculator, you take this 525,000 and you multiply it by this 0.1 over 12 on the bottom. And then you divide by 6,000. So multiply by the bottom and divide by this number in front. And I did that on my calculator and I got 35 over 48. That's the answer I got. And I got rid of all this other stuff and it equals 1 minus 1 plus 0.1 over 12. Now, I don't like that minus, so I'm going to add it to both sides. So here, look, it became plus. And I subtract 35 over 48 from 1. And that, you could do it on your calculator, but it equals 48 over 48 minus 35 over 48 is 13 over 48. Now, the easiest thing to do in the world now is to go to your log button. It's the top right-hand corner of your Casio calculator. And this is the base. You just type 1 plus 0.1 over 12 in there, and you put the number 13 over 48 right there. And then you press equals, and out comes your answer for what negative n equals. And it says negative 157.402. Well, if that's what negative n equals 157.4. Well, that means there's 157 payments and just a little bit left after that. 157 payments and a little bit more. That means this last payment will be less, but it's going to take 158 payments. So that's why there is 158 payments. It's a little bit tricky, this looking for n. But the key is, what makes it really nice is once you get it down here, something to a power equals a fraction or a number, just grab that log button and you don't have to do anything more. Your calculator does the rest of the work pretty well. Okay, I hope that helps.